your chart of accounts in Xero, what you need to do is you go to Accounting and then Advanced. Now notice here you can see the chart of accounts here as a shortcut. The way you can get the shortcut is if I show you where it is in Advanced, if you select this star here into blue, it will automatically be pre-populated in your menu. So if I go to chart of accounts, I can see all of my different types of account codes here. Assets, liabilities, expenses, and all accounts. Now bear in mind, in Xero it's slightly different to other accounting softwares where a bank account cannot be created the same way as you would enter a nominal account. Now you can also export and import your chart of accounts in CSV. You can also do search. The search function is quite useful as well. So if I do consulting, for example, I can find the account code here. Now, for me to add an account, what I need to do is I select here, add account. I'd enter the account type. So let's say expense, account code. Again, you can enter any character you want, but it's only limited to 10 characters. So you can enter 786 or you can enter XYZ. You'll enter the name here. So I'm going to call it consulting, for example. Adding a reporting name here, what this does is if you wanted to have a different name on your reports to what you have in your chart of accounts, you can enter it here. Here you'd enter your description. You could have it as long as you want. This is optional as well. You've got your tax rate. So what this does is this would effectively allow you to, whenever you enter the specific expense or invoice on Xero, it will automatically pre-populate a specific tax code for you. These three options are quite interesting. So show on dashboard means that on your dashboard it will be shown. Showing expense claims is only relevant if you're using the expense module within Xero. And enable payments to account. So if, for example, you have an invoice or you wanted to code a payment to this nominal account, you tick that selection there, select save, and then it's created. Now, if you wanted to add a bank account, now that's a little bit more, there's a few more things you need to consider, because the way you would add bank account, you may want to set up bank fees, which we won't go through now. If you're not setting up bank fees and you wanted to set up a generic bank account, what you'd enter is the actual bank name. So I'm going to put Emirates NBD, for example. So then you enter the account name. So we'll do demo account code. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Account type. So here, if it's a credit card, obviously that means that your transactions will be perceived as a liability, but we're going to create it as an other account. So it's a normal bank account. You can enter your account number here. So again, it can be whatever you want it to be. Here you choose your currency. Now, obviously, if you've got the multi-currency version, it will show you the other different currencies you've set up. So we'll set up USD for now. Click save, and then that's your bank account created. And notice here, the type bank is there as well.